In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download materials and resources from Coursera. Whether you're studying for a certification or brushing up on some new skills, having access to your course materials offline can be a huge advantage. We'll go through the entire process step by step, ensuring that you're well equipped to get the most out of your Coursera experience. First, let's dive in. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to Coursera.org. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. This is an essential step, as accessing course materials requires you to be signed in. If you haven't created an account yet, just hit that sign up button to join, and you'll be on your way in no time. For those who already have an account, simply enter your credentials and you should be good to go. Once you're logged in and viewing the main Coursera interface, search for the My Learning section. You should find this option readily accessible, often on the home page or in the main menu. Click on My Learning and you'll be directed to a page that showcases all the courses you've enrolled in. This layout makes it easy to navigate and find the specific course you need. Next, look through your list of courses and select the one you want to focus on. This could be any course that's currently active, or even one you've completed previously. Just click on the course title, which will take you directly to its main page. It's a straightforward way to revisit the course material you're interested in. Now that you're on your course page, look for the Resources tab. Generally, this is located alongside other tabs like Home, Syllabus, and Grades. Click on Resources to open a dedicated section housing various downloadable assets related to your course. This might include lecture notes, reading materials, assignments, or supplementary files that can enhance your learning journey. Once inside the Resources section, you'll see a list of available files. These are your goldmine for offline study. Identify the specific resources you wish to download. Whether it's a PDF file, a document, or a presentation, all you have to do is click on the resource to initiate the download process. A neat and simple interface ensures that even if there are many files, you can easily find what you need. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the download link. Click this and the dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose a location on your device where you'd like to save the file. Select your preferred directory, whether it's your desktop for quick access or a specific folder meant for your learning materials. Finally, click Su. Your download will begin, and in just moments you'll have your course material readily accessible on your device. Just like that, you've equipped yourself with a valuable offline resource, ready for use anytime and anywhere. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now download and organize your Coursera resources efficiently, making sure you can study even when you're not online. Thanks for joining me today, and happy learning.